If you know me, you know I love berries, and I'm always looking for delicious ways to use them. These quadruple berry overnight oats have become my secret weapon for a nutritious and delicious start to the day. We start by mashing together the berries and whey protein powder. This ensures a smooth, lump-free base. Next, we add sweetened condensed milk because I just had it lying around and it looked absolutely delicious, but you can use whichever sweetener you like. I also added Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. Stir everything until well combined, then cover and refrigerate for at least 6 hours to let the flavors meld and allow the oats to soften. I had some toasted pecans that I crushed over for a delicious crunch, as well as a delectable, slightly sweet nuttiness that added so much depth. If you love delicious food, make sure to subscribe, and as always, never follow the recipe. My secret weapon for a day full of energy. It's not just any breakfast sandwich, it's a game changer. Starts off with onions, peppers, and mushrooms. I'm using lion's mane, golden oyster, and maitake. And what's a power-up meal without avocado? It's the creamy, heart-healthy glue that binds all these vibrant layers. Now for this next part, you want to pay attention, because this is how I make my eggs. I form all the veggies into a little nest with an indentation in the middle to hold the egg in place. Now as the egg cooks, the veggies become part of the egg and everything just becomes one into this unified bite of perfection. My homemade refried black beans followed by tomato, which pairs beautifully and also helps to cut through the richness of everything, topped with turkey bacon, all in between sprouted grain bread. Here's to taking on the day with great flavor by making my secret weapon for a protein-packed breakfast that satisfies my sweet tooth. These quadruple berry Æbleskiver are a game changer. We start by mashing together our berries with whey or whatever protein powder you like to ensure it's fully incorporated without any lumps. Next, we add Greek yogurt for creaminess and Tart cherry juice, which has tons of health benefits and adds extra natural sweetness. Sift together the dry ingredients, then gradually incorporate them into our wet mixture to ensure a light and fluffy texture. Remember, the key is to mix until just combined. Don't overwork the batter. Fill each pocket 3/4 full with batter and cook until the edges are set and bubbles form. They should flip easily using a skewer, chopstick, or small spoon, revealing a beautiful golden brown color. Each bite is a burst of berry flavor with a hint of sweetness and packed with protein to fuel your day. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and let me know what your favorite breakfast is.